If you've created an Etsy account and want to verify it but don't know the exact steps, this guide will help you understand the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Account verification is important because it ensures security and allows you to access all features without restrictions. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can complete verification without any confusion. First, go to the Etsy website or open the Etsy app and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you log in, check your email inbox for a verification message from Etsy. This email is usually sent immediately after you register your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address and activate your account fully. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder because sometimes it may land there. In some cases, Etsy may also ask for additional verification, especially if you are setting up a shop or making transactions. This can include verifying your phone number or identity. If prompted, enter your phone number and input the verification code sent to your device. If you are opening a seller account, you may need to provide identity details like a government ID and bank information. Follow the instructions carefully and upload the required documents to complete the process. Once all steps are completed, your Etsy account will be verified and ready to use without limitations. In short, verify your email through the link, complete phone or identity verification if required, and your Etsy account will be fully activated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.